Hypertension is a severe disease, where the blood pressure stays high, for long periods of time. This disease is known to be silent, because in most cases, it has no apparent symptoms. Despite this, hypertension is a very common disease, and if not treated, it can become very dangerous. In the United States, it is estimated that 1/3 of the population suffers from hypertension. And when the symptoms appear, they usually are tiredness, dizziness, neck pain, nosebleed, and blurry vision. There are many causes for hypertension, such as smoking, stress, sedentary lifestyle, obesity, overdrinking, and diabetes. Anyone who has a family history of hypertension is also more likely to have this disease. And it is a very serious problem, because it can lead to strokes, loss of vision, heart failure, aneurysm, and even death. If your blood pressure is high, or if you have any symptoms, I recommend that you access the link in the description, right below this video. It will help you a lot to solve your problem forever. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. Get well, and good luck.